Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making chicken with stewed tomatoes. This is a family friendly dish that is perfect for a busy weeknight. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So let's start with the ingredients. You will need chicken thighs, cucumber, bell peppers, the chopped onion, salt, minced garlic, mushrooms, black pepper, diced tomatoes, and extra virgin olive oil. First things first, we're gonna season the chicken with salt and black pepper. Then using your clean hands, you're gonna toss everything together. I have my pan going on with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm gonna add the chicken skin side down in the skillet. Cook the chicken until the skin is well browned, then flip it over. The chicken is ready. Now we're gonna transfer it into a baking dish. Next, we're gonna go ahead and saute our vegetables in the same pan that I used for the chicken. I'm gonna add the chopped onions. Let them cook for 2 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add bell peppers along with minced garlic. Give it a stir. I'm gonna add mushrooms. Continue to stir for 2 minutes. Next, we're gonna add ginger, tomato paste, then give it a good stir. Cook this for another 2 minutes. Then we're gonna add diced tomatoes. Allow it to cook for another minute. Allow it to cook for 1 minute, stirring frequently. Add salt and mix well. Pour the chicken stew over the chicken. Cover it with aluminum foil and bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. At 15 minutes, we're gonna pull out our chicken and place the cucumbers on top of the chicken. Then let it cook for the last 15 minutes uncovered. There you have it guys. I hope you'll try this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Please share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.